My life's been pretty shitty, but wanted you to know that I value what we have and hope that it will grow. You're accepting of my faults and overlooked my past. I hope to find true love someday, and this time make it last. I think you're very beautiful in many more ways than one, and I hope you fall in love with me before the courting's done. I look forward to watching movies, maybe travel distant lands, walk the beach at sunset. I was going to say something, but I won't. So, I have the oven warming to keep our dogs warm until we serve them at noontime. Still quite a ways away, but with the amount of meat tubes that I am cooking, it is necessary to have a heating source for the meat tube. Mm-hmm. So, imperative. That's a good word. Yeah. We have rolls up here. I'm gonna cut some onion over here. White onion, to be exact. So anyway, that's what we got going on here in the kitchen. So have a great day. Peace out, nigga. Hello, Adam from the farm. We got Nick over here. Remember him, right?
Hey,
anyway.
You still have this bathroom?
Hold on a second. Huh?
You still have this bathroom?
No.
Cleaning?
No.
Who does?
I don't know. Why was wrong with it?
There's no toilet paper.
Oh, I'll go get some.
Jim,
I'll get it.
he's having a cigarette.
I'll get it. Guess we'll get back to it. Tony, say hi to folks.
Hi. Who is it?
YouTube.
Oh, nice.
Facebook. Alright, folks. I guess I'm gonna cut this short. Gotta give the man his toilet paper. And,